Before getting on a cruise ship, you should prepare yourself for a memorable vacation experience that is 90% at sea. Delightful features and attractions like beautiful staterooms, shops, restaurants, bars, pools, and lots of other entertainment are available on the cruise ship. The Disney Cruise Line is a subsidiary of the Walt Disney Company. Its foray into the cruise industry began in 1998 with the launch of its first ship, the Disney Magic. Your full Disney cruise package in store for guests are top-class facilities, family-friendly activities, amazing room service, and an attractive private island in the Bahamas called Castaway Cay. Facts on the Disney Cruise Line. 5 ships make up the Disney Cruise Line. However, Disney announced that 2 more ships will join the current fleet in 2024 and 2025 respectively. The 2 new ships will be similar in size and carry the same number of passengers. Disney Magic and Disney Wonder are the oldest Disney ships in the fleet. Both carry 2,700 passengers each. The Disney Cruise is a landmark cruise line because it was the first to adopt family-friendly features that is now a common sight in other cruise lines. The Disney Cruise was also the first cruise line ever to have a bathtub in almost all its guest staterooms. Bathtubs are amenities to have on board while cruising with kids. The Disney cruise ships have a keen focus on children. Its prominent kids features include nurseries for toddlers, Oceaneer Club for young kids, Oceaneer Lab for older kids, and Edge and Vibe for teenagers. Kids' favorite Disney characters appear on the cruise ship throughout the trip. These kids' favorite characters make the cruise experience a special one. The Disney Cruise Line currently comprises 5 ships divided into 3 classes. The first class is the Magic class, comprising the Disney Magic and Disney Wonder ships. The second class is the Dream class. In it are the Disney Dream and Disney Fantasy ships. The third class is the Triton class. It will feature 3 more ships, which include the newly launched Disney Wish and soon to be released Disney Treasure. Disney Magic. The debutant ship of Disney Cruise Line, Disney Magic, was constructed at Fincantieri Shipyard, Italy. Its maximum passenger capacity is 2,700 and its cruising speed is 23 knots. Staterooms numbering 875 are available on the Disney Magic ship. It also has impressive features designed especially for each family member: adults, teenagers, young kids, and toddlers. Disney Magic's current travel routes include the Bahamas, Castaway Cay, Mexico, Alaska, Canada, the Caribbean, and parts of Europe. There are several fun activities on Disney Magic. Examples are watching Marvel, Disney, Pixar, and Star Wars film in the standard Buena Vista Theater, playing basketball and table tennis on the top decks, enjoying live Broadway-style shows and music like Disney Dreams, an Enchanted Classic, and Tangled, the musical, swimming in pools on the decks, water sport activities at the Aqua Dunk water slide. Major dining spots on Disney Magic are Rapunzel's Royal Table, Animator's Palette, Lumiere's Channels. Other spots where guests can dine and enjoy meals are Chicken Fingers, Pinocchio's Pizzeria, Cabanas, and Duck in Diner. Disney Wonder. Disney Wonder is the second ship released by the Disney Cruise Line. Disney Wonder began operations at sea on August 15, 1999, and like its predecessor, Disney Magic, Disney Wonder construction took place at Fincantieri Shipyard in Italy. Disney Wonder is measured. Its maximum passenger capacity is 2,700. It also contains 875 staterooms. Other lovely attractions on the ship include nightly shows, the Senses Spas, Rainforest Room, restaurants like the Princess and the Frog, sport games, and lovely entertainment venues for the entire family to enjoy. Generally speaking, Disney Wonder Ship offers plenty of family-friendly activities for each member and satisfies both parents and kids alike. Disney Wonder's current itineraries travel to the Bahamas, Alaska, Mexico, Canada, the Caribbean, and some parts of Europe, and Castaway Cay. Disney Dream. The Disney Dream joined the Disney Cruise Fleet on January 26, 2011. Its construction was at Meyer Werft Shipyard in Papenburg, Germany. The Dream ship is larger than both the Magic and Wonder ships. Disney Dream maximum passenger capacity is 4,000. It contains 1,250 guest staterooms. The Disney Dream ship is 2 decks taller than the older 2 Disney Magic and Disney Wonder ships. When it started operations, it became the first cruise ship to have a water coaster. Lovely attractions on the ship include a Goofy sports deck where families can play mini golf, Aquaduck, the family favorite water coaster, and several pools, the most prominent being Nemo's Reef for kids. Disney Fantasy. The Disney Fantasy ship joined the Disney fleet on March 31st, 2012. Unlike its sister ship, Disney Dream, its construction site is at Meyer Werft Shipyard in Papenburg, Germany. In terms of size, the total number of decks and passenger capacity, Disney Fantasy is similar to the Disney Dream ship. Its maximum passenger capacity is 4,000. It contains 1,250 guest staterooms. Fun facilities and activities on Disney Fantasy include the Aquaduck and its exquisite rides, a hybrid water slide and roller coaster with tubes 765 feet above the top deck, swimming pools like Nemo's Reef for kids, live shows like Disney's Aladdin, a musical spectacular, and Disney's Believe, a narrative with visits from Cinderella. Basketball games you can play with other guests on the upper decks. Watching current movie release in standard Buena Vista Theater. Dining options available on the cruise ship include 2 adult-only restaurants, Palo, where Italian cuisine is available. Remy, delectable French cuisine is on the menu in this restaurant. Senses Juice Bar, where guests can enjoy shakes. Cove's Cafe with its Mickey-like cappuccinos. Royal Court, Animator's Palette. Enchanted Garden, Cabana's Restaurant. Flo's Cafe. Disney Wish. Disney Wish is the newest cruise ship in the Disney Cruise Fleet. It made its maiden voyage on July 14, 2022, and is larger than the Dream Class 2 ships. Disney Wish, as well as other ships to be released in the Triton class, uses liquefied natural gas as fuel. The ship has 1,254 staterooms. Disney Wish stands 221 feet tall. It has 4,000 maximum passenger capacity. Entertainment packages offered by Disney Wish include the Aqua Mouse, Toy Story Splash Zone and its fun water activities. The Walt Disney Theater features Broadway-style shows like Disney's Aladdin, a musical spectacular, and The Little Mermaid. 2 theaters that show Disney, Marvel, Pixar, and Star Wars movies. Delightful dining options for the whole family to enjoy meals while on board are 1923 restaurants serving delicious California flavors. A frozen dining experience with visits from fan favorite frozen characters. Marceline Market, Mickey and Friends Festival of Food. All 5 ships on the Disney Cruise Line have features and amenities for entertaining guests and families with great panache. And it only gets better with the 2 incoming ships that include Disney Treasure. If you enjoyed watching this video and have thoughts you'd love to share, drop a comment below. Remember to like and subscribe to the YouTube channel for more videos.